This is the Stefan Boltzmann Law Interactive Calculator, which calculates thermal radiation properties for engineering applications. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate radiant emittance from temperature, calculate temperature from radiant emittance, calculate total power from temperature and area, calculate temperature from power and area, calculate required area from power and temperature, and calculate effective temperature from luminosity and radius. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate radiant emittance from temperature. The input fields include temperature in Kelvin, emissivity with values between 0 and 1, radiant emittance in watts per square meter, surface area in square meters, total power in watts, luminosity in watts, and radius in meters. Let's work through an example. With a temperature of 5078 Kelvin and an emissivity of 1.0, clicking Calculate gives us a radiant emittance of 6.3201 E plus 7 watts per square meter. This represents the power radiated per unit area at this temperature. The calculator also provides the peak wavelength using Wien's law, showing 501.52 nanometers, which falls in the visible green spectrum and matches what we'd expect for a black body at solar surface temperature. Find the link in the description below.